If not, deprioritize. Style, null. Speaking underscore rate, 1.05. Pitch, 0.4. Volume underscore gain underscore dB, 0.5. Closing curly bracket, comma. Opening curly bracket. Speaker, Ace Bailey. Text, quick tool note. In Search Console, go to Performance Right pointing arrow pages. Pick a 28-day range compared to the previous period. Export pages where clicks are down more than 20% and impressions aren't zero. In GA4, check landing page sessions and conversion events. Flag pages with center below 1% on important queries. In Ahrefs or SEMrush, check whether top competitors have added comparison tables or product lists. These are repeatable signals. Style, null. Speaking underscore rate, 1.0. Pitch, 0.2. Volume underscore gain underscore dB, 0.0. Closing curly bracket, comma. Opening curly bracket. Speaker, Ace Bailey. Text, a quick example. I had a page for best budget smartwatches that lost 40% of traffic after product cycles shifted. It still had decent baseline clicks, search intent was transactional, and affiliate options existed. That page moved to the top of the audit queue. Quote, comma. Style, null. Speaking underscore rate, 1.05. Pitch, 0.5. Volume underscore gain underscore dB, 0.5. Closing curly bracket, comma. Opening curly bracket. Speaker, Ace Bailey. Text, now the 3-signal audit. This is the diagnostic you run in 10 to 20 minutes. Intent mismatch, shallow coverage, and conversion gap. Think of them as quick thermometers. Which one is hot for a given page? You can often fix one or two and get most of the benefit. Style, null. Speaking underscore rate, 0.95. Pitch, minus 0.1. Volume underscore gain underscore dB, minus 0.3. Closing curly bracket, comma. Opening curly bracket. Speaker, Ace Bailey. Text, start with intent. Search the target query in an incognito window. Read the top 5 snippets. Are they lists with prices or deep how-tos or product pages? If the SERP shows product lists and your article is an academic guide, that's the mismatch. Fix the page header, the lead paragraph, and H1 to signal the right intent. Immediate clarity beats cleverness. Style, null. Speaking underscore rate, 1.0. Pitch, 0.3. Volume underscore gain underscore dB, 0.0. Closing curly bracket, comma. Opening curly bracket. Speaker, Ace Bailey. Text, second signal, shallow coverage. Look at competitor headings and the length of their comparison sections. If they have 10 product rows and your page has 2, users perceive you as thin. Quick fixes. Add a concise comparison table, 3 columns, clear scores, and 1 new data point. A mini test result, a price update, or a crisp pros cons bullet. Style, null. Speaking underscore rate, 1.05. Pitch, 0.6. Volume underscore gain underscore dB, 0.6. Closing curly bracket, comma. Opening curly bracket. Speaker, Ace Bailey. Text, third conversion gap. Ask, when someone lands here, what do I want them to do next? If the CTA is a vague button tucked at the bottom, you've lost the moment. Put an answer first paragraph, then a specific micro offer. Grab the 3-item comparison PDF. Or see the cheapest models now? 1 click. Clarity and low friction win. Style, null. Speaking underscore rate, 0.95. Pitch, minus 0.3. Volume underscore gain underscore dB, 0.0. Closing curly bracket, comma. Opening curly bracket. Speaker, Ace Bailey. Text, now concrete edits you can copy. Before, in this post we discuss options. After, here are the 3 cheapest smartwatches that work in 2026 with links. 1 sentence that answers. Change the H1 from a vague question to a clear outcome. Add a comparison row. Product best for price, one line reason. And add a CTA. Get to 3 pick. PDF free. Style, no. Speaking underscore rate, 1.05. Pitch, 0.4. Volume underscore gain underscore dB, 0.5. Closing curly bracket, comma. Opening curly bracket. Speaker, Ace Bailey. Text, small language tweaks matter. Swap passive phrasing for direct commands. Replace you may want to consider with buy if you need X. Replace learn more with download the quick comparison. These are tiny edits, but they move clicks into actions. Style, no. Speaking underscore rate, 1.0. Pitch, 0.1. Volume underscore gain underscore dB, 0.0. Closing curly bracket, comma. Opening curly bracket. Speaker, Ace Bailey. Text. You might be thinking, but what if I break my rankings by editing? Good question. Do edits incrementally. Use a simple A/B if you can, or change the top paragraph first. Monitor for 7 days, then proceed. Archive the original in the draft. If you see a clear downward spike, roll back. That's conservative and safe. Style, no. Speaking underscore rate, 0.9. Pitch, minus 0.4. Volume underscore gain underscore dB, minus 0.2. Closing curly bracket, comma. Opening curly bracket. Speaker, Ace Bailey. Text, alright, repackaging. Once the page is fixed, you can convert the attention into income. I use 3 templates: compact affiliate guide, 1-page micro offer, and gated resource bundle. Each is small, opinionated, and fast to build. Style, no. Speaking underscore rate, 1.05. Pitch, 0.7. Volume underscore gain underscore dB, 0.8. Closing curly bracket, comma. Opening curly bracket. Speaker, Ace Bailey. Text, compact affiliate guide, a 3 to 5 item PDF with short reasons and affiliate links. Offer it as free for email capture or $3 for instant download. Placement, a top of article CTA, and an end of article push. If you price it, keep delivery automatic via Gumroad or Payhip, low friction. Style, no. Speaking underscore rate, 1.0. Pitch, 0.2. Volume underscore gain underscore dB, 0.0. Closing curly bracket, comma. Opening curly bracket. Speaker, Ace Bailey. Text, 1-page micro offer, a checklist or decision flow that helps a buyer choose in under 5 minutes. Price range, $7 to $27. Delivered through a 1-page checkout. No onboarding, no hand-holding. This works when users want a quick win and trust your picks. Style, no. Speaking underscore rate, 1.05. Pitch, 0.5. Volume underscore gain underscore dB, 0.4. Closing curly bracket, comma. Opening curly bracket. Speaker, Ace Bailey. Text, gated resource bundle. Bundle, a short guide, a worksheet, and curated links behind an email gate. Use it for queries that need more depth. The point is not volume, it's value. Keep it opinionated and small, and route those emails into a simple welcome sequence that highlights related micro offers. Style, no. Speaking underscore rate, 0.95, 0.2. GA4. Create an exploration for land. Those alerts tell you where to run the audit next. Style, no. Speaking underscore rate, 1.0. Pitch, 0.0. Volume underscore gain underscore dB, 0.0. Closing curly bracket, comma. Opening curly bracket. Speaker, Ace Bailey. Text, a real result. I audited 5 slipping pages, applied the 3 signal fixes to 2, and package 1 is a $7 micro offer. Within 3 weeks, the page recovered ranking and the micro offer paid for the time spent. Small bets, fast feedback, repeatable scale. Style, null. Speaking underscore rate, 1.05. Pitch, 0.6. Volume underscore gain underscore dB, 0.5. Closing curly bracket, comma. Opening curly bracket. Speaker, Ace Bailey. Text. Before you dive in, 3 quick rules to avoid wasting time. 1. Don't touch pages with no demand. Use the traffic thresholds. 2. Make edits incrementally and monitor for at least 7 days. 3. Keep repackaged assets tiny and opinionated.